everyone, I'm Johnny Sampson, and this is my reflection for English. First, what are the most memorable lessons that I had in my English class and why? For me, in first quarter, the most memorable lesson that I had is about communicative style, language because I learned how to communicate by its situation. And for the second quarter is identifying the different element of poetry because I learned what kind of poetry and how many stanzas that I can be used to make poetry. And for third quarter, the most memorable lesson about this quarter is about bias because I learned about what is different from reliability and other. And for fourth quarter, is about social, moral, and economic issues because I enjoy learning more about these issues. Second question, what is issue do you think is very evident in the Philippines now and why? In my opinion, I think it's economic issue because this is so very evident in our country now during this time because there's many problems about in our country like the problem of increasing bills and about our territory. And for third question, what is challenge did I face while having the class in English? I always challenge in reporting because my English is not good at all and my pronunciation too. And for last, for Mom Jared, thank you for everyday teaching us well because of you I improved my English from my problem about my pronunciation and my grammar. And sana next year, mas baitan niyo pa po. Best. You're the best mom.